and they're like, where the hell are you? As a content creator, I want you guys to know me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this year is like starting में consistency, then the complete MIA phase for like what 4 5 months now. So finally I've decided to shoot this video before this year ends, and not because I owe you guys an explanation that where was I. It's mostly because I feel कि मैंने अपने लाइफ में हर एक चीज़ आप लोग के साथ शेयर किया है. So I thought कि let's just discuss what's going on, what I was doing, कहाँ हूँ मैं, क्या कर रही हूँ, and all that with a little bit of get ready with me. So yeah, before any further ado, let's quickly start with today's look. We are going to do a very simple yet a minimalistic glam everyday vibe, which I mostly do on a regular basis. Hop with the actual get ready with me, let's just sip some coffee to get the energy and start speaking in front of the camera, because honestly physically I'm not well. Last 2-3 हफ्ते से थोड़ा सा डिस्कम्फर्ट हो रहा था सर्दी जुकाम की वजह से, एंड फ्रॉम लास्ट 4 days I have like high fever, so I was like completely on the bed. But it's weekend, so this is the only time when I get to shoot. So finally I've decided कि नहीं coffee पीती हूँ and then I'll start shooting the entire video. So the caffeine is already inside my body. So now let's start coming up with the first question that I mostly get asked from even my friends also who watches my videos on YouTube, and they're like, where the hell are you? So basically let me just take you back to at least 4 months back. All the products that I will be using in this video will be linked down in the description box, so that I don't have to constantly speak and talk about the product and then about the story, because that's too much distraction. So let's just start with the story. ये start होता है 4 months back, 4 to 5 months back if I'm not mistaken. उस time पे I was on the 6th semester, मतलब तो final semester में थी, and I was like, obviously I was doing content and this YouTube stuff, and I just suddenly had that thing in me, and my friends were there, we were talking to get into an internship and all. So मैंने ऐसे ही randomly internship के लिए apply करना start किया, and on a random day I got their message कि like you are selected for this round of interview and you can do this interview via online. I was very much skeptical in giving interviews online offline, मतलब मेरा तो first ही interview है तो डर तो obviously लगेगा ही. तो online first round interview गया and it was pretty good. For the context, let me tell you, I have been doing journalism and mass communication as my undergraduation. तो मैंने वैसे ही marketing और management लेके ही कोई job पे apply किया था, and this was for the role of influencer marketing for this advertising agency. So I started giving the interview, and interview ठीक ठाक से किया, एंड उन्होंने बोला कि वी लेट यू नो अगर आप सिलेक्ट होते हो, वी विल डू अ सेकेंड राउंड ऑफ इंटरव्यू, विच वॉज ऑल्सो बिट टेरिफाइंग फॉर मी, क्योंकि एक राउंड इंटरव्यू में मेरा क्या हालत हुआ था मुझे ही पता है. नाउ फॉर द सेकेंड राउंड ऑफ इंटरव्यू इट वेंट वेल, एंड देन सडनली आई गॉट दिस ऑफर लेटर कि यू हैव बिन सिलेक्टेड फॉर दिस पोजिशन, एंड द वर्क इज़ मोस्टली लाइक अ हाइब्रिड मोड ऑफ वर्क, जहाँ पे मुझे 3 दिन ऑफिस जाना पड़ता है एंड 3 दिन आई कैन वर्क फ्रॉम होम. So that's how I got into that internship. It was not very difficult. It's like basic influencer marketing thing that I've been doing myself since a very long time, brand reach outs and all that. So to answer all of your questions कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, I have started doing a 9 to 5 job. Yes, you heard it right. I am doing a 9 to 5 job and it's not that bad after all. मतलब कि ऑफिस ज्वाइन करने के बाद मुझे ना बहुत सारी चीज़ें समझ आई है. लाइक आई हैव ऑलवेज बिन अ पर्सन की फ्रीलांसिंग किया है 5 साल तक, तो आई एम माई ओन बॉस, मेरे पास जो भी डेडलाइंस है मैं खुद अपने आप को देती थी, अगर छुट्टी लेना है तो खुद अपने आप उस हिसाब से स्केड्यूल करती थी. बट नाउ दिस इज़ अ होल न्यू एक्सपीरियंस. यहाँ पे इफ़ यू वांट टू अप्लाई लीव यू हैव टू गिव प्रॉपर रीजंस, कुछ टाइम फ्रेम तक यू कांट इवन टेक लीव अगर वर्क प्रेशर ज़्यादा है. तो ऑल ऑफ दैट थिंग, बेसिकली द इंटर्नशिप वॉज फॉर 3 months, बट उसी के साथ साथ नाउ आई एम वर्किंग देयर, दिस द 4th month. तो वहाँ पे दे हैव प्रमोटेड मी टू अनदर सेगमेंट विच इज़ कॉल्ड टैलेंट मैनेजमेंट, एंड आई एम currently working as a talent manager over there. Basically my day-to-day role is to handle creators, their brand collaborations, their overall work की कैसे क्या deals हो रहा है and all that. So overall management and execution is my work at that company, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Now coming back to the second question कि how was I doing. अगर मैं physical health की बात करूँ तो those who know me well, they know that I do work out like 5 times a week. So physically I am well. Mental health के side से देखूँ तो जो थोड़ा सा bother करता है, that because my office timing is a bit distinctive, तो if I am going to office and I am going to gym, then my shooting time is, you know, getting lost somewhere. If I am shooting and going to office, then the gym is going lost somewhere. So it's like I'm a bit juggling between a few things, but I know ki with time things will get smoother, I guess. I just feel like कि Saturday and Sunday week में these are the 2 days when I feel कि नहीं, these days can not be wasted. मैं कहीं बाहर भी नहीं जाती हूँ अभी तो, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि Saturday and Sunday मुझे शूट करने को मिलता है. I get to create content, not only the content that I create for the brands, because obviously those are like ठीक है, but I create content because I want to feel relevant in this field. I want to embrace myself as a content creator. So yeah, that's the second question का आंसर कि how I am doing. Physically I'm well. Mentally थोड़ा सा exhausted हूँ because the procedure and everything is pretty new to me. अभी मुझे इस overall चीज़ में adapt करने में थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा time लग सकता है. So yeah, जिस reason से मैंने ये video बनाना start किया था, उसी रीज़न को रिवील करने का टाइम फाइनली आ गया है. आई हैव स्टार्टेड और आई हैव एटलीस्ट थॉट ऑफ स्टार्टिंग अ न्यू सेगमेंट फॉर यू गाइज. इफ़ यू आर समवन लाइक मी who is not very I would say vocal, या फिर if you are not someone who is very much comfortable in putting their points or having that self-esteem, believing in herself or stuff like that overall. Because मुझे लगता है as a content creator, it's not always important कि to create content around beauty, fashion, lifestyle. That's fine. But एज अ कॉन्टेंट क्रिएटर आई वॉन्ट यू गाइज टू नो मी. ये चीज़ मुझे समझ आया व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड द UGC सीरीज बैक इन February और March. लिटरली पीपल कॉमेंटेड, दे हैव DM'd मी, दे वर ओवर माई WhatsApp DMs. मतलब कहीं भी बाकी नहीं था रीच आउट्स. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट आई एम अ वेरी रिलायबल पर्सन कि आप जो मैं कर रही हूँ वही आपको करना है, बट आई कैन एटलीस्ट से दैट I can help you to become a better version of yourself by becoming a better version of me. Because अगर मैं अपने आप में grow नहीं कर पाई तो आप लोग क्या ही मतलब influence होगे या क्या ही grow करोगे. So this is why I have decided to document or to create a series जहाँ पे I will share a step by step guide in becoming more productive or becoming well spoken or becoming more intellectual. I am not intellectual myself, but that's there, just an example, like how to be well dressed, कहाँ पे कैसे क्या अपने आप को present करना है. And I feel कि ये video ना मेरे लिए बनाना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी था, because I was not feeling myself. As I already mentioned कि physically I was not, मतलब थोड़ा सा बुखार वगैरह की वजह से डाउन हूँ, तो वो एक फैक्टर था. देन 2-3 हफ्ते से मतलब एकदम ही मैं शूट नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, शॉर्ट वीडियोज़ भी बनाना बंद हो गया है मेरा. तो आई genuinely wanted to shoot this piece of content to give myself the peace. And as I already mentioned कि content creation is like a peace deriving source for me. Yes, I started it just like that for fun, for like increase a bit of productivity in between COVID, but now it has become a therapy for me. I would also like if you guys can give me ideas on what kind of content you would like to post me in that series. I do have a lot in mind, but because I want to know my audience pretty well, और शायद मेरे चैनल में ये फर्स्ट वीडियो है जहाँ पे I have finally spoken about anything related to my personal life, because I don't like talking about my personal life. I'm a very private person that way. अगर आप मेरा Instagram भी देखोगे, I don't talk about anything in particular. If I am heartbroken, I keep it to myself. If I am very happy or achieved so much, अगर मुझे लगा कि हाँ वो Instagram relevant है तो तभी मैं पोस्ट करती हूँ. आई थिंक मैं ये जॉब वाला फैक्टर भी आप लोगों को नहीं बताती, बट सिंस आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आस्किंग मी दिस थिंग, तो मुझे लगा कि नहीं, शायद मुझे थोड़ा सा रिस्पॉन्सिबल होना चाहिए एंड इस चीज़ को एटलीस्ट एक्नॉलेज करके इसका एक रिप्लाई बनाना चाहिए. एंड या आई कैन फाइनली से दैट I am back on YouTube because now I'll be posting a lot more contents, which is like the content, the UGC series का content. उसमें भी बहुत सारे requests है जो कि मुझे अभी भी address करना बाकी है. Then there is a new series जो कि मैंने अभी आप लोगों को बताया, that one. And I have a lot other series coming up, like creator series and all that. Like keeping all those contents in mind, the upcoming year would be a really productive content year for me. So yeah guys, this was it. This is the final look, and this is the whole story of me being MIA and being the most irresponsible creator. I don't know whether I should be called a creator or not now, but anyways, I really hope you guys find this video a bit entertaining, and if you do, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more such contents like this and a lot more better content than this, I would say. Yeah guys, thank you for watching this video till the end, and see you guys definitely on the next one.